Pieces like this don't become playable by trying harder. They become playable by training smarter. This piece looks chaotic, but it's not chaos, it's controlled motion. If you approach it randomly, it feels impossible. If you approach it structurally, it becomes trainable. That's why I built a two-stage workout system for this piece. Part 1, control and consistency. This stage builds clean execution, minimal finger movements, smooth string transition and rhythmic stability. Part 2, speed endurance. This is where we develop efficient energy use, stamina and high-speed control. Speed is not something you chase. Speed is something that emerges from control. If you want to actually build this piece, not just attempt it, the full structured workouts are available on my Patreon. Train it the right way and what looks impossible today becomes mechanical tomorrow. If you want this series to continue, please subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment, like the video, keep practicing. See you on the next one.